We don't know.
You get any dirty looks?
The day's right, but the time's wrong. No. I don't want it in my pocket. Where's Tori? Tell Tori to come back in.
What? Tori, come back.
Get out of the way.
You little ham bone, you. Come here, Tori Story. We need your help for a minute, please. Can you get her?
Yeah, I wanna hear her telling me that Sam needs to go to the hospital.
Where does she need to stand?
That's where I'm setting this thing up right now.
Here?
Yeah, right about there.
She comes.
Now, what's wrong with Sam?
She's sick.
She's sick.
What are we gonna do?
We have to take Sam to hospital.
To where?
A hospital.
A hospital.
Yeah.
Think that'll help her?
Yeah.
Think that'll make her all better?
Now, what's wrong with Sam?
She's sick. We have to take she to hospital.
We have to take her to the hospital.
Yeah.
I see.
How old are you, Toby?
3.
All right.
Do you know what tomorrow is, Tori?
What?
Pumpkin's birthday.
Tomorrow's Summer's birthday. Tori, what have you been doing outside? Did you plant your garden?
Yeah.
Did you plant your wildflowers?